In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create automated emails to use in workflows in HubSpot. We'll walk through exactly where to click, what you'll see on screen, and what to do if you hit an upgrade prompt, so you can confidently prepare emails that your workflows can send automatically. Start on your HubSpot home. In the main navigation at the top, open the marketing menu. This is your hub for campaign tools and communications, and it's where the email tool lives. Opening this menu keeps you in the right lane for building messages that can be triggered by workflows later on. From the marketing menu, choose email. That takes you to the email dashboard, where you can view drafts, analyze sent messages, and organize your library. On this page, look for the Create Email button. This is your starting point for any new message you want to build. Click Create Email. HubSpot will then ask you what type of email you want to make, because we want a message that can be sent by a workflow, like a welcome note after a form submission or a reminder after a sign up. Select Automated. Automated emails are built specifically to be enrolled and sent by workflows, not scheduled for a one-time blast. At this point, some accounts will see an upgrade screen instead of the editor. If that happens, it means automated emails aren't included in your current subscription. To proceed, you'll need to purchase access to this feature. You can review the available plans, start a trial if one is offered, or ask your account administrator to handle the upgrade. Once your account includes automation, return to the same path: marketing, email, create email, automated, and you'll land in the editor as expected. A couple of practical notes to set you up for success once the editor is available: name your email clearly so it's easy to find from a workflow. Write a focused subject line and preview text that match the workflow's goal, and keep the content concise with one primary call to action. Use personalization thoughtfully, verify your sender details and footer information, and ensure compliance with your email regulations. When you save your work, automated emails become available to select inside workflows. If you don't see your email in a workflow action, double check that it's saved and that you have permission to use marketing emails in automation. That's the full path. Go to Marketing, open Email, click Create Email, choose Automated, and, if prompted, upgrade to unlock the feature. Thanks for watching, and you're now ready to prepare automated emails for your HubSpot workflows.